Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to fund your prepaid ad account on the Meta Ads Manager mobile app. Let's jump right straight into this video. So we launched the Meta Ads Manager mobile app. So next we're going to switch to our preferred ad account. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So you click on the name of the ad account or the settings icon at the top left corner. So you could scroll to select the preferred ad account or you search for it. So I'm going to search for the preferred ad account I want to use. Okay, so next I'm going to switch to the ad account I want to fund. I want to fund this for official Bright ad account. So I'm going to click on this. So after selecting the ad account, next you click on billing and payment. Okay, so next you're going to click on add funds. Now these are the options you could see: business payment method, debit or credit card, pay by USSD, pay by bank transfer, or Naira payment with a MasterCard. So if you want to use your Visa Naira card or your Master Naira card, select the last one, which is pay you. But if you want to do a bank transfer, click on the pay by bank transfer. So you select the pay by bank transfer, or if you want to use your USSD code, select pay by USSD. All right, so but we're going to go with the pay by bank transfer. So before we do this, we're going to select the amount we want to fund. So for this particular video, let's say we want to fund 25,000 Naira into this ad account. So click on done. Next, you click on pay by bank transfer. So we selected our amount and we've also selected our preferred method. Okay. So we'll click on next. They're going to ask for your phone number. So let's submit our phone number. If you want to do the bank transfer, you search for the bank PAGA, which is Pega. Just in case you're finding it difficult to get this bank, you could search for it under the mobile money operator. All right. So you're going to use the provided account number to make the transfer. Okay, so we're going to make a transfer right now into this account. All right, so I just made a transfer of 25,000 Naira into this account number. So we're going to give it a few seconds and it's going to automatically trigger that money has been sent into this account. So you could see automatically it's going to show that the payment was successful, the funds have been successfully added. So then you could click on go to ads manager. All right, so you can see how easy it is to fund with your bank transfer. Okay, so click on done. Now you see the funds has been reflected. Okay, so see you guys in our next video and bye for now. Kindly visit the description section for more information.